Khumbudzo Ntshavheni has presented the SSA budget vote. She addressed various diplomatic disputes involving South Africa and the US. Ntshavheni says South Africa's neutral position in the Russia-Ukraine conflict does not mean Pretoria is anti-US.
There is a false impression that is created that this government have adopted an anti-USA posture. I must clearly indicate that we have cooperation agreements with the USA on areas of intelligence sharing, training, cybersecurity, counterterrorism, amongst others.
South Africa has faced 2 intelligence alerts from the US in recent times, a terror alert in Sandton in October last year, and one 2 weeks ago for the alleged sale of arms to Russia in December last year.
We have not had an incident where there was something amiss and the intelligence service of the United States worked against our established protocols. And we have said on our part, both on the terror alert, that there was no such intelligence shared, including there was no other intelligence shared as it relates to the vessel that docked at Simonstown. And we've got that on record, and they have acknowledged in terms of the right channels and protocols that there was no intelligence shared with us.
Ntshavheni says South Africa is also working hard to lift the Financial Action Task Force's grey listing status. The General Intelligence Laws Amendment Bill will be tabled to Cabinet next week.
Amongst the noted measures undertaken is the finalization of the National Risk Assessment, approval of the National Counterterrorism Strategy, the enactment of the Anti-Money Laundering and Combating Terrorism Financing General Laws Amendment Act laws, as well as the protection of the constitutional democracy against terrorism and related intelligence services.
The minister says they've also identified threats at Eskom as a result of severe load shedding.
Continued severe load shedding creates an environment for criminal elements to operate in the cover of darkness. The combination and effect of these negative factors have the potential to lead to a socially and politically unstable environment by making communities and civil society at large susceptible to mobilization against government by elements with nefarious agendas.
Ntshavheni says the lessons learned from the July 2021 unrest is that law enforcement must be intelligence-driven and prosecution-focused. Ulelani Philip, SABC News, Parliament.